We apologize for the interruption of the song, but we have just received an important alert coming from the National Weather Service. By important, I mean important information regarding your safety. Please stand by as the station redirects to the emergency alert system.
Tornado emergency for Dallas County. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado emergency for Central Dallas County in North Central Texas, Eastern Rockwall County in North Central Texas, Northwestern Collin County in North Central Texas, Southeastern Kaufman County in North Central Texas, Northwestern Denton County in North Central Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a large and extremely dangerous tornado, capable of destroying neighborhoods, moving south at 60 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Dallas County. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near Plano around 6:35 p.m. Rockwall around 6:40 p.m. Rowlett around 6:45 p.m. Dallas around 6:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Isle. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 30 between mile markers 41 and 60. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
As you may hear, a tornado emergency has been issued for Dallas, Rockwall, Collin, Kaufman, and Denton. If you are within these areas, take cover now. I repeat, take cover now. From what we've gathered the information, this tornado will be heading to the Dallas metropolitan area. It is not known if the area will be evacuated in time, as we...
Come on! We gotta go now!
If you are within the areas mentioned in the message, seek shelter now. I repeat, seek shelter as soon as you can.
We gotta go now, damn it!
Alright, I'm coming. This is Jake Wow, signing on to seek shelter. I'm coming!